Here in Canada, a beacon score is probably considered religiously your most important thing that you should all protect. It goes a long way. That's why you're seeing a lot of advertisers now advertising against identity theft, because of the access of information that we're putting online today is a lot greater than it was 15 and 20 years ago, and there's a lot more information online. And in due respect, the beacon score is something that everybody should protect. And if you don't understand it, you should understand it. Because at some point in time in your life, you're going to be using it for not only for a mortgage, but you might be using it for a car purchase, furniture purchase, any major ticket item that you will be purchasing in the future. Your beacon score is going to come into play. And it's something that you should protect. The beacon scores usually range in the range from 400 to 800. 800 and above is considered exceptional. In my 16 years in business, it's only happened like 15 times that I've seen it. From 700 to 800, it's excellent. From 6 to 7 is average. 5 to 6 is below average. And 4 to 5 is poor. So I guess the higher your beacon score, the lower your interest rate. The lower your beacon score, the higher your interest rate. If you have any outstanding balances owing that you're not paying your bills on time, that has a negative impact on your beacon score, and it brings your beacon score down. If you have, at least if you can pay the minimum before the due date, please do it. It protects your credit, even though it's only $30 and it might be a $500 department store credit card that you don't consider important, but it's extremely important. If you have anything in collections, please clean it up, because that again impacts your credit. If you're shopping and you're shopping for a mortgage or a car or furniture, and they're checking your credit, the more inquiries you have, it impacts your credit, even though you didn't have access to receiving any money from these financial institutions. It means that you're shopping, and it has a negative impact on your credit bureau. So long and the short of it, understand beacon scores. No matter what walk of life you're from, it's very important. You should take an interest in it, because it's yours, and it's a true identity of who you are is through your beacon score and what your values are. And I strongly suggest that everybody at one point in time in their life, especially like on a yearly basis, check your beacon score to make sure everything's up to date and everything's clean. I strongly suggest everybody to go on our website at www.centumglobalmortgages.ca, and they can order their own credit bureau for $24.95 that has a beacon score. There's another one that's free, but we certainly encourage the ones before they even come here to have an idea what their beacon score is. It'll give them a better idea of how long this process is going to take, because the higher your beacon, the faster the results. The lower your beacon, the slower, and it's going to take a lot more time to get the deal through.